Hello friends, hope you're doing well and staying safe. In this video, I will be discussing about the conjunction of Moon and Venus. My name is Hardik and you're watching my YouTube channel on Vedic Astrology, Astro. So let's start. Right guys, before I start discussing this conjunction, I have a small request. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notification whenever I publish a new video. Right, so coming back to this topic, what exactly is Moon? Moon is your mind, Moon is your conscious, Moon is the most powerful planet in your birth chart, as I've been always saying this. Moon is also about your emotion. Moon is about foreign travels also. Moon is about water. Now, what is Venus? Now, Venus is a luxurious planet. It's about luxurious goods. It's about perfumes, jewelries, anything that is luxurious. Venus is also about your love life. Venus is about, in a male chart, it is about his spouse. Venus is also about, your sexual desire. Venus is about, it's a pure planet. It's a beautiful planet. So it talks about it's about beauty as well. It's about beautiful. About being beautiful or attractive. That's what Venus is. So what happens when Moon and Venus are in the same house? As I said before, conjunction will be really powerful if the degree between them is less than 15 degree. If it is more than 15 degree, then it is still a conjunction, but the effect of the conjunction will reduce. Technically, it is still a conjunction. Now, with Moon and Venus in the same house, generally these people are very attractive or they have an eye for beauty, right? So they are beautiful. They come across as attractive people if it is well placed. Also, if you have a strong Moon and a strong Venus, you can love people very well. You can be very friendly with people. You will come across as a person who cares about others, right? You'll have strong sexual desires. You will do well as a husband or a wife. You will do well as a partner. So that's very that's a great possibility if you have both Moon and Venus well placed in your chart. Also, if Moon and Venus are placed together, because Venus also represents creativity, you will have a creative mind. You will have a mind which thinks about creativity. Your right side of your brain, which they call, will be more active. So you will have, you can be an actor or a singer or a dancer or even a writer for that matter. So you can choose that kind of a profession if you have a combination of Moon and Venus. But this is not always great for you. Sometime if Moon and Venus are not well placed, then there can be some challenges as well, because Venus is about love and Moon is your mind. Though you are very good in loving others, you also expect the same from other people. Whereas if other people are not able to do that, then you feel offended or you feel distracted. There will be friction in your relationship. So be careful of that. Just because you can love somebody really well, or you can take care of your partner, doesn't necessarily mean that he or she can take equal care of you. That may not be always true. So be careful of that thing, right? These are the people who really will get hurt if somebody is misbehaves with them, or if somebody is not taking care of them, or is not being friendly with them. So that is seen very common if Venus and Moon are afflicted, right? Generally it's a good conjunction. Generally you can see a lot of great things happening, but if it is afflicted, then there's a possibility of this, right? So be careful of that. It's a good combination to have it in your chart. Most of the aspects of this conjunction is pretty good, but if it is afflicted, then make sure that in a relationship you take care of of your mind. You don't get carried away if you see that the other person is not really showing a lot of interest in you or is not really taking care of you. He may be taking care of you, but your expectations are far more than what he's capable of doing or she's capable of doing. So be careful of that. Once you are able to adjust that, I think this conjunction will be pretty smooth in your life. Right, guys? If you have any queries, please do mention in the comment box. If you have any questions, or if you have any feedback also, you can mention in the comment box. Whenever I get chance, I will answer those questions. Again, please subscribe to my channel. Please share my video if you've liked it. Take care, bye bye, and stay safe.